In my studio, I've been researching and playing with different materials. I tend to work intuitively by building off past works that use sculpture, performance, and electronics. I use this whole range of media to create immersive environments that are heard and felt.
1, 2, 3.
These meditative spaces encourage slowness and sensory perception where the body serves as an entry point into the work.
So recently I've been experimenting with different biosensors, and one being a heart pulse sensor that connects to a water valve, and the water valve actually drips in time to someone's pulse. And that relationship really got me thinking about the body's circulatory system and how we give off CO2 and the plants and oceans take in that carbon dioxide and then give off oxygen, which then we breathe in, which I feel like is a really beautiful cycle. And so I'm just trying to find ways through installation and performance that I can reflect on those loops and cycles and how we fit into Earth's rhythms.
This is an example of a breath sensor I've created. The way it works is it wraps around your waist or diaphragm, and it's able to tell how much you're breathing based on how much it stretches. And then this is an example of a footstep sensor that I created. Here's the other one. So you put one in each of your shoes, in the heel of the shoe, and based on the amount of pressure you're putting down in your heel, it can sense if you've taken a step or not. And then this is a heartbeat sensor that I've used in a few different projects, and I just buy this one, but I'm able to integrate it in a lot of different ways, so it's really fun to use.